In this video, I'll show you how to insert a logo in CapCut. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open CapCut and start a new project. Then you're going to add the video that you want to work with and you're going to click on add. Once you have your video, you're going to go ahead and click on overlay in the bottom and you're going to add your logo. You should already have it downloaded in your gallery. If your logo doesn't have a background, you don't have to do this, but just in case it does, what you're going to do is click on your logo and then you're going to search for remove background. Auto removal, and then CapCut is going to delete the background for you. Then we're going to click on the logo and we're going to adjust the size to our liking. I'm going to put it in the corner. Then you're going to drag your logo all the way until the end of your video. And that's how easy you can add your logo into CapCut. Hope that helps.